Busy for mobile retail. In this presentation, we'll discuss about how you can use Busy for mobile retail industry. Basically, this video is part of our trade specific video in which we pick up a particular trade type and discuss what all feature Busy offer for this trade type and how you can use and implement those features in Busy. First of all, we'll go to Administration, Configuration, Features option. We'll click the Trade Specific Configuration button. On clicking this button, a list of trade types you can see on the screen. Here we'll select the trade type as mobile retail. On selecting the trade type as mobile retail, various options will appear on the screen. These options are by default enabled by Busy. That is, on selecting the trade type as mobile retail, Busy has enabled all these options. If you do not want any particular option, you can disable that option. Options that are enabled by Busy are salesman broker wise reporting, serial number wise detail, very important feature as you can maintain IMEI number of the mobile number in the serial number field. We have set quantity decimal places to 0, configured various warning alarms, enabled pause in the sales voucher, and we have also enabled auto rounding off of final amount. Click Save button to save this configuration. Once this configuration is saved, our next step would be to create Salesman Master. If you deal with various brokers, salesmen, give them commission, brokerage, or you want to create Salesman Masters for various salesmen working in your showroom, store, and want to maintain their commission related details, set targets for them, or provide incentives to them, then you can use the Salesman Master. For this, we'll go to Administration, Salesman, Add option, specify the name of the salesman, print name, address of the salesman, mobile number, email ID, salesman account to be credited. Here we are selecting the commission on sales account. Click Save button to save the Salesman Master. Next, we will be opening an item master in modify mode. Here we are assuming that you have already created your items, but if you have not yet created items, then you can use the item master add option to create new item master. Here we are opening Samsung Galaxy A50, this item in modify mode. We'll specify yes in the serial number wise details option. Next, an item serial numbering type details window will appear in which we'll select the numbering type to manual. That is, we are into retail business and the serial numbers will be provided by the manufacturer. In our case, we'll be entering IMEI number of the mobiles in the serial number. Click Save button to save the item master. Next, we will be entering purchase transactions. We'll go to purchase add option, specify header related details of voucher, select item, specify quantity. On pressing enter key on the unit field, you can see item serial number wise detail window is appearing. Here we'll specify the first item serial number, that is IMEI 1 of the mobile in the item serial number field. In the description 1 field, we'll specify the IMEI 2 number. That is, we are assuming if it's a dual SIM mobile with the 2 IMEI numbers, then we can enter one IMEI number in the item serial number field and second IMEI number on the description 1 field. Next, in the description 2 field, we'll provide the description about the item. Next, we'll click the generate continuous number button to generate continuous serial number for the item. Here we'll specify the first serial number and serial number to create. By default, it's showing as per the quantity, and Busy will automatically increment 1 at the end of the serial number and will generate required serial numbers. Now we will be entering description 1 and description 2 for all the items, that is IMEI 2 and the descriptions of the each quantity of the item. Next, we'll be specifying bill sundry related details and click Save button to save the voucher. Next, we will be entering our sales transaction. We'll go to sales add option. Here you can see that this is the main series of the sales voucher in which Busy have by default enabled the pause configuration. If you, however, want to make any changes in the pause configuration, then you can go to voucher configuration option, pause configuration option. You can see on the screen pause configuration screen is appearing. You can make the required changes. Next, we'll come back to our sales voucher. We'll select the salesman. We'll select the item. On pressing enter key on the unit field, an adjust item serial numbers window will appear in which you can select the required serial number against which you are making the sale. Basically, this is the part of adjustment, that is, you need to select the serial number of the item you are selling. After selecting the serial number, click the OK button, enter the price. Here we are also applying a discount bill sundry, that is, we are providing a discount of 2%. Click Save button to save the voucher, specify the settlement details. Next, a commission details window will appear in which you need to select the mode. Here we are selecting the mode as percentage, then commission percentage, and Busy will automatically calculate the commission amount. Next, Busy is asking you to print the sales invoice. Click yes button if you want to print the sales invoice. Here we are printing the sales invoice in standard format and you can see the complete preview of the invoice on the screen. Next we will be going to our reporting part, that is in the display menu. First of all, we'll discuss the commission calculation report. Here we are viewing this report for a single salesman, and you can see complete details of the salesman are appearing on the screen. Next, if you wish, you can view the stock status, inventory books, inventory summary, all the reports are relevant. Next, we will be discussing the serial number wise report. Here we are discussing the item serial number history report. Specify the serial number whose history you want to view, and you can see on the screen complete details of the serial number are appearing. Next, we are specifying yes in the show item serial number details, and we are specifying yes in the search and description field also. By specifying Y in this field, you can search a particular serial number in description field also. If you remember, we have entered IMEI 2 number in the description field. If you want to make your search on IMEI 2, then you can use this option and search on description field also. On the screen you can see this is showing complete details, that is serial number, description 1, description 2. So this is the benefit of specifying IMEI 2 in the description field, that you can search your IMEI 2 number also in the report. So in this presentation we have discussed all the features that are required for a mobile retail industry. Hope after going through this presentation you would be able to easily use and implement all these features that are required for retail mobile industry. Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.